Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an application that you may have missed and one that has been needed on the Galaxy Watch and the Gear 3 for a very long time, right? This is called Voice Answer. Now, this is gonna make life so much more convenient with answering your phone. You don't have to pull your phone out of your pocket or anything. You can answer it straight from the watch or reject it straight from the watch. Now, how you get to this is you gotta go into settings. I'm going to drop my screen down. I'm going to tap on settings. It always takes me twice to tap on settings. And then you're going to go all the way down till you see app. And once you see app, you're going to tap on that. And then you're going to go all the way down till you see call. Tap on call. And it's going to be off by default, right? And just cut it on and then hit the check mark and you're all good. So when a phone call comes through, reject call. All you got to do is say answer or reject. I thought this was a cool feature to add on this watch. I just might update it on my Galaxy Watch because I wear that more than I wear any other watch. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. You know I need for everyone to hit the like button before you leave. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.